way.
And it's right there.
Where?
By the ice thing.
Oh yeah. Let me do that in all videos. I'll start with Drew.
It's Papa Drew. Welcome in. We're at a new location. We have a pond. It's water. We decided to park Hippie Bus up here in Flagstaff. We're about 7,000 feet. I'm sucking air, but that's okay. So let's take a tour of the Hippie Bus real quick, because I promised everybody I would do that. But we have a special guest star with us today. Why don't you come on over here, guest star? I'm not gonna. The English have invaded us. So why don't we do this? Let's do this. How about you go in the Hippie Bus?
Okay.
Give us a tour, and I'll film it, and then I'll upload it, and you can have it on your channel. I'll put it on my channel. Whatever you want to do, I don't care.
Okay.
How about we do that?
Okay. I've been in here once, but I can give you a tour.
No farting this time. I'm zooming in on his butt.
Okay.
Women, doesn't he have a nice butt? Look at that. It's the pants pull-up and everything. So here are the steps.
Hey, I'm doing this tour.
Oh, sorry.
By the way, I have built-in knee pads.
That's good.
So here is the Hippie Bus. This is where Papa Drew lives. As you can see, there's lights in the ceiling. He has the wood. Love these, by the way. Love these. Have a TV here. This is where we sit. I'm not going to sit here because I imagine Drew sits here wearing nothing. This is
kind of true.
Thing. This is my favourite thing. I'm going to open this.
Yeah. Just pull out.
That's healthy. I'm impressed.
Is that healthy food in there?
I expected like leftover pizza and
No.
that's very. I'm impressed.
We're doing good.
Look at this. Got a lovely sink. Got a little coffee maker. What's that?
That's an
Air
air
fryer.
The air fryer, the dishwasher.
Looks fancy. You've got a dishwasher. Don't show Natalie that.
Yeah.
Do not show
So
Natalie.
what do I don't show her? Open it up. Look. It's a little dishwasher. Yeah. Sorry about the fans. It's a little bit hot up here in Flagstaff.
Yeah, it's pretty warm here. You've got some cabinets.
Yeah.
Emergency exit.
First mini split.
AC. Nice.
AC and heat pump.
Now this is, I've seen this on videos and we FaceTime before. This is way bigger than it looks, by the way. I mean, this is perfect for me. Drew, you probably hit your head on this. You're a lot taller.
I'm worth the same height. Yeah. I have short legs.
Love this barn door, by the way. Quality. Now, I'm not a bath kind of guy, but I'm very jealous of what is in here. I'm not going to open your toilet, but look at this.
Why don't you go ahead and get in? Go get in.
I've got my boots on. Is
No,
that
that's
right?
okay. Yeah, go ahead. I'll clean it.
You've got the shower, the fancy shower.
Pretend like you're soaping up for the women. Yes. Slow motion.
People don't want to see that.
No,
They do not want to see that. Trust me. Oh, this goes all the way around.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Anyway, love this. I'm not a bath guy, but what is this?
And then that's a diesel heater.
Okay.
And the frog toilet. There's the frog.
Nice.
And then the composting toilet, which is right there.
I'm not going to open that.
So that's the Sea-Head composting toilet, which is amazing.
So we actually still have, we don't use it, but we have the Nature's Head, which has worked very well in the past.
And then we're going to try and switch.
All right, let's switch.
So there's enough room to switch. Did you see that?
Yeah. And we're not small guys either.
No.
So washer, dryer, clothes, all of your control stuff. You've got your lithium batteries. That's connected to what, 1600 watts of solar?
1600 watts of solar, yeah, on the roof.
Which is up here. Should we go up here?
Yeah, you can go up
On your bed, obviously.
on my bed, my sleeping queen size bed. I'll pass you the camera.
Okay, so we're on the roof. He has a huge deck. What are these? 2 by 12s by 24s?
Yep.
So there's a whole deck up here. I'm scared of heights, but this isn't too bad. And then there's all the solar. Drew's coming up. It doesn't shake as much as I thought. Do you have stabilizers on
No,
those?
no, we're on airbags, but the airbags are deflated, so we're sitting on the frame
so we're
rails.
sitting like, right, got it.
Yeah, we're riding low.
And
What's up, everybody?
And then we have flags. We need these for our trailer, really.
Yeah, they're cool. I mean, they're just cheap flags, because you know everything about Hippie Bus is about cheap, you know.
Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, this is fantastic. Thank you for the tour, Drew. I'm very honoured to be here.
Well, this is the first tour of the bus. I haven't toured the bus with anybody else.
Really?
Just you.
We're special.
We had to do it for our English people across the pond.
Yeah.
We're sticking our hand of friendship out.
So if you didn't know, me and Drew met on a live feed. You had a live feed, an RV live feed channel. it kind of you had some stuff going on in his personal life,
Right,
and so
right.
he kind of went off and then bought this bus and did all this up. So you've been
Right.
away. You're coming back now, right?
I'm coming back strong.
He's promised us he's going to put more videos up.
Yes, I
more
will.
regular.
I will.
Man, we're at a really high elevation. I can't talk.
I know.
It's crazy. I'm not used to this.
It's
we
hard.
live in Florida. It's like 20 feet off sea level. Now
So
we're at
there's
7,000.
So we have so everybody that's in here for the Can-Am, seeing the Can-Am footage, we had a small problem with the wee problem. Is that how you say it?
We problem.
A wee problem.
Yes.
Scottish. Wee problem with the Can-Am. We blew the seals of the water pump and rear shock. So it's in the shop for a month to get fixed, and we'll get it back. All under warranty though, so yay for that.
It should be right here on top of the F250.
Yes.
We need more footage on that.
Yeah. Well, we're going to get a footage of the Can-Am, the F250, and the bus going down the road with the drone. I will get that uploaded at some point for everybody.
You do, because I've been waiting to see that.
I know.
You kind of film bits and bobs everywhere, but
I know,
Drew
little
has
teasers.
promised me
Yeah.
he's going to do the whole setup with the bus, pulling the F250 with the Can-Am on the back. We need to see that.
Yeah, and then, well, today, what we're going to do, we have a project.
Okay.
It's going to be fun. So we're going to put railing up around the porch up here today, and we're going to make it look like a boxing ring. So you can come up here, couples, and settle your problems after you sign the disclaimer. So come up here and beat the hell out of each other.
Sounds fun. You could even do like sumo wrestling, but instead of having that circle, they just fall off the side.
We could. Yeah. The last person standing wins. The other people go to the hospital.
Exactly.
Yeah. We could put that big ball. Let's get one of those big balls. And we get in it, and we could roll off the bus.
Sounds fun. I hope you have insurance, Drew.
Yeah,
I hope you have insurance.
We don't, but we're gonna. Sounds like a great idea. Don't do that. Don't. No. Bad. We're not drinking yet. It's early in the afternoon. So you guys got a trip coming up, man. You're gonna go see the giant hole in the wall or the ground.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, the Great Wonder.
Yeah. It's all a secret, though.
Yeah. So put in the comments below when you're standing at the Great Wonder, pyramids, holes in the ground, whatever. What is the appropriate time to stare at the wonder? 10 minutes, 5 minutes? Like, how much respect do you give the Great Wonder?
It's a great question.
You know, I mean, how many minutes are you looking?
I'm going 12 minutes.
12
You
minutes?
need to like have 12 minutes, you know, if there's something going on, to think about how it was there, what created it, and then I think anything after 12 minutes is cool.
What if you have to pee?
Okay, 14 minutes.
Oh, so you
2
like
minutes
to
to pee.
10 minutes? Well, or do this. The Great Wonder.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what you do if you pee out there. It's weird.
Oh, just get one of those pee buddies. Bag on a leg. You put a bag on your leg and you just pee in the. It's a Stadium Pal.
You sound like
It's all the
you're
rave.
talking about this from experience.
No, I saw a TV show.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, all right.
There you go.
Here's a picture of the solar. If anyone wants to see the setup for the solar, each panel is 200 watts. We're running 1,600 watts. There's more English people down there. We're surrounded.
Hey, you actually have an outlet here.
I do. So
That's good
that's
thinking.
my yeah, I did that. That was for my Christmas stuff. So I could put Christmas decorations up here or
That's
Halloween.
genius.
Yeah, I want to put one of those guys that you see at the dealership with the wavy arms,
Yeah,
20 feet tall.
yeah.
That would get me attention.
That's a good idea. Yeah, that's a genius idea to put power outlet.
Yeah, and the umbrella. Look at the high-tech umbrella mount. All right. So if you haven't done it yet, go over to Brazen Brits, subscribe to their channel. It's awesome. Their channel is exploding. It also helps that Natalie shows a lot of leg. I'm just kidding. So go over there, subscribe, comment on their channel that you came from my channel. And then if you haven't subscribed or joined my family, please do so and comment below because I love interacting with everybody. But we're up here close to Flagstaff, and we're going to cut this video right now. And we're going to show you a piece of the lake, a piece of an Englishman, proper, and then we're going to say this. I love you, and peace, love, and hippies. It's Papa Drew, and I am out.